Sámi. For outsiders, it's wilderness. But for those who live here, it's an important area for harvesting the resources of nature, the very foundation of life. Up until now, it has been the Norwegian state, through the Norwegian State Forest and Land Corporation, which has managed and administered the land of the most northerly part of Norway. In spring 2005, the Norwegian Parliament, via the Finnmark Act, resolved to transfer the land owned by the state to the population of Finnmark, the most northerly and largest county in Norway, through a new agency named the Finnmark Estate. The Norwegian authorities had previously taken the view that Sámi use of land did not qualify for ownership rights and rights of use. Demands by the Sámi for a clarification of Sámi rights led to the Norwegian authorities appointing a Sámi Rights Committee in 1980. As a result of the committee's proposals, the Finnmark Estate was established.
The Finnmark Act is an important progress in the work of securing and for the recognition of the Sámi rights to the land and natural resources, according to both internal and international law. The Finnmark Act builds on the basic viewpoint that the administration of areas and natural resources in Finnmark are especially to secure the Sámi culture. This basic viewpoint and the recognition in principle of the Sámi rights is the fundament of the Finnmark Act. An important and swift measure that now must be taken is to secure the Sámi rights to the fisheries in the coastal areas.
The board of the Finnmark Estate has 6 members, 3 elected by Finnmark County Council and 3 elected by the Sámi Parliament. The population of Finnmark is itself responsible for managing and administering the area through the Finnmark Estate.
The most important thing about the Finnmark Act is that we, Finnmark residents, will own and take care of the land here where we live. All too often we have experienced that others who are far away have decided what we should do and how. With the Finnmark Act, we will decide over our own land for the best of everyone who lives here. This gives us brand new opportunities.
The background to the Finnmark Act is that the Sámi, through long-time use of land and water, have acquired ownership rights and the right to beneficial use of the land in Finnmark. The Act is ethnically neutral in that all persons residing in Finnmark have equal rights.